So I just got in. Where exactly are you?
I'm here, right behind you.
Yo, Monica, right?
I see.
Yeah.
Don't worry, you can sit. Um, you're shorter than I expected.
Yeah. So I'm actually 5'7", but is that going to be a problem or?
No. I just told my friends I wanted a man that's like, but it's fine.
Right.
Forget I said anything.
So are we?
Excuse me. Waiter.
See, personally, I don't have a problem with matchmaking or blind dates. Isn't that what most of our cultures in Africa still do? But even with the best intentions, real love these days, it'd be hard to find.
So your hair looks kind of different. Is that a wig or a weave or something?
Well, I want to try something new, so I changed my hairstylist. But I do have my natural hair underneath it.
I actually prefer my women with natural hair.
So you get lucky. You find love and you're thinking long term. One local factor can be your roadblock. Like your village people wanting you to get married from your community so that your children can have the pointed long nose of your ancestors, amongst other things.
So we'll have the fried rice with the prawns. Let's have the seafood platter.
And what about you, ma?
No. The order is for both of us.
Excuse me? I'm allergic to seafood.
I'll order what you want.
Now, imagine an app for single people looking for love, where top-notch security means no fake profile. A network of communities that allows you narrow your search of finding that you spec. And the best part is, it is powered by Africans. This is an app that understands who we are. Don't be like a Basi and Monica. Save yourself the hassles. I know on Rhema Singles.